Ay magandang araw po sa inyo lahat. This is Chinkitan, also known as Mr. Chink Positive. Para sa araw na ito, I have an open letter to all single dad and single mom. While I was reflecting and doing my blog, I just felt strong to really write a letter sa lahat ng mga single dads and single mom. I just like to really tell you from the bottom of my heart na believe talaga ako sa inyo. The reason why I have so much belief in you because you have to be a nanay, you have to be a tatay. Dual work and then but single pay. Patong-patong na yung mga ikang responsibilities nyo. You have to play the role of a father, you have to play a role of a mother, provider, nurturer, a disciplinarian at times, and a comforter. Grabe, we have 3 kids, and aside from the 3 kids that I have, yun nga, me and my wife were partnering together. With the 3 kids already in hand, kaming dalawa na, talagang punong-puno na kami. We're so, yun nga, up to the task, in challenge na ba, of me providing my wife, being the homemaker. So how much more if you're only fulfilling, ikaw lang mag-isa, no? Grabe talaga, ibang klase talaga kayo. In reality, I really salute you because I cannot really fulfill what you're doing. Hindi ko kakayanin yung ginagawa nyo. So I want to dedicate this post to all of the single dad and moms who are raising your family single-heartedly. Gusto kong i-highlight sa inyo ngayon yung mga outstanding qualities ninyong mga single parents na minsan nane-neglect ng ibang tao at hindi napapansin. Or minsan nagkakaroon pa ng racial discrimination or discrimination sa workplace. Number 1, I just want to tell you that you are strong. Strong ka. Ang pagiging magulang ay talagang mahirap na responsibilidad. And I'm telling you, not only mahirap on your part, it's dobleng hirap. Lalo sa mga single parents. Sobrang tatag ang yung inyong kalooban na ginagampanan nyo, yung mag-isa, ang tungkulin ng dalawang magulang. At kitang-kita naman, 'di ba, na matibay kayo sa yung inyong paninindigan at paniniwala. At you know what, because of your belief, matatanggapayan nyo lahat ng mga challenges na inyong mga dinadanas sa buhay. And I also can say that you are not only strong, but you are also brave. Brave in the sense na sobrang bigat ng hamon ng pagiging isang single parent. Nakakatakot to minsan harapin. Pero there came a point in your life, I do believe, that you were pushed to the wall na wala kayong choice na kailangan nyo talagang lumaban. Kaya talagang humahanga ako sa inyo because of the courage that you are giving to your family, that you're taking responsibility by your own. Napakalakas ng loob ninyo na gampanan parehas ang tungkulin ng bawat ng isang ama at ng isang ina. And I'm sure, no, nagagawa nyo yan dahil kayo ay ay selfless. When I say selfless, iniuna nyong isipin ang kapakanan ng inyong mga anak rather than yourself. Madalas minsan siguro nawawalan na kayo ng oras para sa sarili nyo, yung priority nyo ay napupunta na sa sa anak nyo. You're very generous in offering of yourself to be a father at the same time to be a mother. And by doing that, you know what, you're accomplishing an impossible thing. Why? Because you become so resourceful. Resourceful in the sense kung ano-anong naiisip na paraan para may itawid lang ba yung pangailangan ng anak, di ba? Lalo na kung 2 o 3 pinag-aaral mo. Minsan nga nagiging creative ka na kahit na mag-isa ka na lang, nag-iisip ka ng ng diskarte kung paano mo hahati yung oras mo sa trabaho, sa pagnenegosyo, sa pagkita ng pera, pati sa anak mo. And you are also capable in managing your time well because hindi lang kasi financial aspect ang binibigay mo, kundi yung pag-aaruga. And finally, for me, I salute you because you are really hardworking. Hardworking in the sense, hindi pwede sa inyo yung yung word na mamaya na, hindi pwede sa yung hindi pwede. Hindi pwede sa inyo na sabihin nyo na hindi nyo kaya. Dahil wala nang aasahan ng iba kundi kayo eh. Halos nga minsan ay really witness yung mga single parents na magkandak huba-huba na ba sa gawain ng trabaho, gawain pa rin ng bahay, parang dual role. And then, parang nakikita ka para kayong mga superman at superwoman na walang kapaguran. Alam ko na lahat tayo ay magulang. Even I myself and my wife were parents. We have those qualities. But you know what? Nothing really beats single parents. So I just want to dedicate this short vlog today to all of you who are single parents. I salute you. And I just want to encourage you, you just don't give up. You're doing a great job. Some people might say it's not enough, but I can tell you, you have what it takes in order for you to become a single parent. You know what? God never allowed you to be in this position for you to be alone, but God allowed you to go through this process because He knows, no, that you have the capability and you have the strength to go through this. So muli, nagpapasalamat ako sa pagkatangkilik sa mga vlogs ko, sa mga sinusulat ko at mga ginagawa kong videos. And this one are for the single parents and mga tao, lalo na yung mga anak na mga single parents. So right now, I just want to ask you, bilang isang single parent, have you ever asked yourself, anong mga challenges na mga kinaharap mo ngayon? Ikaw ba ay nadi-discourage na? Ikaw ba ay feeling mo na gusto mo nang umayaw at bumigay sa buhay? Let me encourage you, can you please share lang if you're a single parent watching this video, share lang on how you were able to overcome yung being as a provider at the same time as a nurturer sa family. And I'm sure marami kayong ma-encourage dito at paano nyo overcome at napagtagumpayan. Anong advice mo na maibibigay mo sa mga single parent na katulad nyo? And we would love to hear from you. So again, I would like to request you to also subscribe to this blog na Happy Wife, Happy Life na YouTube account. At the same time, follow me also at my Facebook, Twitter, and my Viber public chat. You just go to public chat and then type Chinkitan and follow me. Thank you very much for tuning in. This Chinkitan saying, to every problem, there's always a solution. If you're not part of the solution, you're part of the problem. Always, Chink positive.